If you're experiencing high ping while playing The Sims 4, it can affect your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help lower your ping and improve your gameplay. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow, consider upgrading your plan or switching to a wired connection. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching The Sims 4, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that use the internet or consume system resources can contribute to high ping. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and downloads. Step 3. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings to improve performance. Lower graphics settings and disable any features that may require a lot of bandwidth. This can help reduce lag and improve your overall gaming experience. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Switching to a faster DNS server can help lower ping. You can change your DNS settings to use public DNS services like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8, 4.4 or Cloudflare DNS 1.1, 1.1. This can improve connection speed and stability. Step 5. Use a gaming VPN. If you're still experiencing high ping, consider using a gaming VPN. A VPN can help reduce ping by providing a more direct route to the game server. Choose a reputable gaming VPN and connect to a server close to the game server location. By following these steps, you should be able to lower your ping in The Sims 4 and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. Happy gaming!